Days, months, and seasons. Monday.
Monday,
Monday is the first working day of the week. Tuesday.
Tuesday. Tuesday is the day after Monday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday is the day in the middle of the working week. Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday is the day before Friday.
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 Friday is the last working day of the week. Saturday.
Saturday. Saturday is the first weekend day.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday is a day of rest and preparation for the week. January.
January. January is the first month of the year.
February.
February.
Valentine's Day is on the 14th of February. March.
March. St. Patrick's Day is on the 17th of March.
April.
April.
April is the 4th month of the year. May.
May. May 1st is an international holiday for workers.
June.
June.
Summer begins in June. July.
July. In July, Americans celebrate Independence Day.
August.
August.
Many people go on holiday in August. September.
September. September is when many children start school.
October.
October.
October is known for Halloween. November.
November. In November, Americans celebrate Thanksgiving.
December.
December.
December is the month of Christmas and New Year's Eve. Autumn.
Fall. In the fall, the leaves fall from the trees.
Winter.
Winter.
Winter is the season of snow and holiday festivities. Spring.
Spring. Spring is the season when flowers bloom.
Summer.
Summer.
Summer is the hottest season.